So we're back. So for this video, I've picked like 4 AI tools that I found in the first 100 in my toolbox, which I think are really good marketing related AI tools for businesses. I've started small businesses before. Sorry, not small businesses, but a small business before. So when I saw these in the AI toolbox, I thought they could be really useful for people who might be running small businesses, considering that they solve some of the problems that I faced when I was running my small business. I won't really be trying these ones out. In order for these to be tried out, you need either a website or product pictures, which I don't really have right now. So I'll just be sort of going through their website and taking you guys along with me. So the first one is, so let's start with PenWeb AI. So this is actually an AI website builder. I think this is run by WordPress, if I'm not mistaken. He basically generates your website for you, and all you need to do is answer questions that they provide for you. And then from your responses to their questions, they let AI generate content and images based on your answers. And then once that's generated, if ever there's any changes that you want to make, then you can sort of customize those content and images to your liking. Then you add more pages and complete your website. So yeah, let's check it out and see if it works. Again, there's no free, it's really a paid plan. Yeah, I think if you want like a quick website and don't want to spend much time on it, this could be your go-to. But I think as someone who's sort of particular about details, I'd rather create a website that gives me more freedom to customize, especially details, text, fonts, sizes, colors, animations, shapes, images. Yeah, I'm very particular with that when designing anything. So customizable, I think this is customizable. It's just I can't customize it right now because I'm not on a paid plan. But if you want something quick, this could be your go-to. The next one is called Algolia. Basically, it helps customers find what they're looking for. Pretty much, that's what I understand from going through this, is it helps your customers find what they want. I think this is more on like showing recommendations. So Algolia is focused on search, discovery, and recommendation. So it helps customers search for products that they're looking for, discover new products, and recommend products to your customers. So that's what Algolia does. I think this is useful. And for the last 2 AI tools here, as someone who's leaning more into the creative side of things, I think these 2 are my favorite because they involve product pictures. And I think these are really useful. So the first one is called Botica. So these are very useful, I think, for fashion brands or brands that are selling clothes. So what Botica does is provide you with AI generated models. So basically what you do here is you have your products, and then I think using your product pictures, you can select which models will sort of wear your products, and then generate images with that model wearing your products. And so you don't have to spend on photo shoots, photography, hiring models, spending time taking pictures for them, a whole lot of time for editing. All you need is your product picture, and then you select the model from Botica, and then now you have pictures of a model wearing your product. So pretty much something like this here. So this is the image of their product. They chose a bunch of models to try the product out, and they chose the model that they want to display on their site. So yeah, that's pretty much how it works. I don't think they have a free plan. It starts with a paid plan. Here, it's per credit, so yeah. And next, the last, this is also related to product photography. So this is the product, and this is the image that the AI generated with the product. So this is the example of the prompt from their website. Photo of a smiling woman wearing the classic blazer in a park. So I don't think they have a free plan either. I think you need to book a demo Basically, from what I understand, you upload your product pictures and then you type in a prompt and then it generates the picture. So this is the first prompt: woman in classic blazer in London. Second is she's in a restaurant with a classic blazer. Next is she's in the street. And the next one is she's in a park. Okay, so this is what it looks like on my dashboard. But I think I need to subscribe if I want to use any of their features. So for this one, so your input is the picture of a person, and then for the person lifestyle swap, so you upload a picture of a person wearing your garment or clothes, then they can swap that out with another person with a different background. Okay, that's what it does. For person only swap is they only swap the person that's wearing your product. Yeah. So for here, furniture scene change, so you upload a picture of your furniture, but they change the background of it, which, I mean, from the example, it looks really good. So those were the 4 marketing related AI tools that I found, which I think could be really useful to running a business, especially for small businesses, I think, who might not have the resources to have a full-blown photo shoot for their products or hire models for their products. But yeah, I think my favorite were especially the last 2. The first 2 were useful for sure, but I do think that there are a lot of better options out there for the first 2. For the last 2, I think are great though. So far, I haven't come across any other AI tool that's similar to the last 2. Maybe it's because I'm still in my first 100 in my toolbox, but another similar AI tool might come up when I review the rest of the tools in my toolbox. I hope this was useful to some of you. Thank you again so much for your time, and stay tuned for the next video and see what AI tools I'll be learning about and reviewing then. Thanks!